Okay, I will solve the 10th problem from this activity, so you're going to know how to solve this. So let me just copy the problem over here. T is equal to P plus PRT, and we're going to solve for R. What is R? So leave the R alone. This time we don't have numbers over here, but what we're going to do is the same thing what we do with numbers and just with one variable. We just do the same thing. So to leave the R alone, first there's an addition over here. We have to get rid of this P plus. So best way to do that is just subtract P on both sides. We do on both sides because we know that if we do one thing on one side of the equation, we have to do the same thing on the other side of the equation. So if we just do the subtraction, T minus P is going to be equal to this P, they will cancel out, so PRT. So on this side, we just still don't have R alone. So the best way to isolate this R to just get rid of this P and T. Since this is P times R times T, this is a multiplication. So best way to get rid of these factors is to divide this side with P times T. So this way they can cancel out, so R can be, alone on this side of this equation. But whatever we do on this side of the equation, we have to do the same thing on this side of the equation. Because we know that there's a division property of equality. If we just do the same thing on both sides of the operation of the equality, and then our sides will remain the same. So I divide this side with P times T, so I divide the other side with P times T, so my equation is not going to change, it's still going to be the same thing. So T minus P over P times T, or divided by P times T, is equal to this P, they cancel out, T cancel out, so R just stays isolated over here on this side. So my R is equal to T minus P divided by P times T. If you look at your choices over here, you're going to see the first one is your equation, so your answer is going to be A for this one. Okay.